Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got a really interesting horn to look at. Now this is a Roy Victor Butler S75-S5, or more common known as an RVB 5 chime. Now this is an Australian horn, really interesting horn. This horn actually has a nickname of a screeching cat, and you'll see what I mean here in just a minute in the video. So this horn was introduced in the late 1950s. Now that was the first generation horn. Those horns had round power chambers, and they were cast in bronze, whereas this is a second generation. It has aluminum power chambers. This is what they look like. So that's aluminum power chamber for the second generation. So the 5 chime horn is much more uncommon and much more rare than the 3 chime. There's not a lot of 5 chimes left. There's several, you can get your hands on a 3 chime pretty easy, but most of them are going to be in Australia, so you're going to have to get them from there. So with this horn, the bells are actually spun bronze, but that's this first part right here. The flare is actually spun copper. So they would solder these together at the factory. So this piece is actually soldered together with this piece right here. So one of the common, I guess, malfunctions or things that would happen to the horn is from the vibration on top of the locomotive. That solder joint would fail and the flare would actually fall off, and that would cause the horn just to sound horrible. Now these horns already sound horrible as is. Even in good shape they sound horrible. But anyway, back to the first generation horn. I'll just show you what that looks like real quick. I've got a 3 chime right here. Here's my 3 chime. This is a S75-S3. So this is a S5, this is a S3. The 75 means 75 millimeter diaphragm, and then the 3 and the 5 just generate the bells. So a 3 chime or a 5 chime. But this is a new old stock 3 chime, and as you can see, the power chambers, how they're round and they're cast in bronze, whereas these are aluminum. So I'll have a video up of this 3 chime later. So that's the 3 chime. Anyway, I'll get you some pictures up of this horn and y'all enjoy the video. This is the RVB 5 chime.